Hey, what's up, guys? How are you? My name is Diego Barco with Realty One Group, and today I'm super excited to show you guys the data for the last 4 years, month over month, of where the city of Whittier has gone. We've basically gone from like the 500,000 range all the way up to almost 700,000 on the average median sales price. So, with no further ado, let's get to the data. Once again, my name is Diego Barco, your local realtor. So let's get here and let's check out the data. As you can see here on the on this dot on the screen, we're looking at 500,000, a little bit below 500,000 medium range back in 2017, and then we've gradually gone up and down, very average. We stayed pretty steady here for 2018 and 2019, right? Now, as you can see here in 2020, we had that huge increase, right? All of 2020, that huge increase towards the end of the year kind of flatlined, and then a huge increase, and then we had a huge drop in December. But now, because of all the COVID probably situation that we had going on, and then we shot right back up to upwards of like 649,000. That's January of 2021. And then so let's just look at the numbers, okay? So in January of 2017, 499. Then we took a little dip, and then after that, we've gone up every single month, as you can see here. Absolutely every single month. Into let's look at what happened. So here in 2020, right, in January 565. That was in January. In February, 592. In March, that's when we had the lockdown, 599. In April, 599. In May, we had a drop in 2020 of 590. Then right here, in June 2020, 599. In July of 2020. Now, look at this. Look at what happened from October of 2020 to April of 2021. We're talking about in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 7 months, we increased about $75,000 of medium home price in the city of Whittier. Just in this last couple months, it's crazy. The amount of value that people have in their properties is just amazing. And let's remember, it took January 2017 to about November of 2019. So it took about 3 years to have an increase of 75,000. And then it took 7 months to have an increase of value of 75,000. This is when we're telling you that the values, the inflation, everything is just crazy right now in this market. And I mean, and you're not just buying a 30-year, a home, right, at a value, but you're also buying a 30-year fix right now. And when it's amortized over 30 years, you save tons of money. So this is why people are willing to move the prices up. Now, let's look at this chart as well about the days on market. So you see here, it was about 35, 37. Then it dropped in 2017. 2018, it increased. Then it dropped, in the summer. It usually drops in the summer months. So then we had a huge increase in 2019. Then it dropped again. And then ever since 2020, look at where we're at. we're at about 6 to 5 days of basically days on the market. That means that if you list your home, you list it well at a great price, you're going to get multiple offers, probably sell above asking price, and do it under 5 days. That is crazy for the city of Whittier. I just wanted to give you guys this data. This comes directly from the MLS, and it's about 7,200 listings in the last 4 years that they've calculated here from the MLS. So if you have any questions, if you're interested in selling your property in the city of Whittier right now, the market is hot. Take your money, go to where you want to go, move out of state, move closer to family. Right now you're going to make tons of money. So once again, my name is Diego Barco, Realty One Group. Have a wonderful day.